How do you integrate emotions in your daily life? Do you avoid them? Do you feel them? And what happens if you feel them? There is a technique that's called the emotional freedom technique. It's based on an integration of Western psychology and Eastern medicine. And in this technique, it provides you with an instant relief of emotions by integrating them. So it's not going to get stuck in your body, but it's actually going to keep flowing. The energy is going to keep flowing because it's all based on the idea that when an emotion is intense, that the energy gets stuck and we get more into our mind. We have a different video speaking specifically about that, so you can find the link on top. But today we will practice these, and it's something that you can either do on the spot, like if you feel a heavy emotion, you immediately do it, or you can, at the end of the day or later on if you have a moment, get back to what you were feeling, get back to that moment and practice so you can actually disconnect the trigger and what is happening from the feelings it awakens, and you learn to stay in the state of flow even when things happen and occur into your daily life. So essentially what you want for this technique, for it to work, is that you're going to make a statement. And the statement is based on acceptance and unconditional love. Because many times when we feel something, we're going to judge it. We're going to say, no, I should not be feeling this. It's wrong for me to feel that, all this stuff in our mind. What we're going to say is, it's okay for me to feel this. So it's okay for me to feel jealous or to feel inferior. You're really stating what you are specifically feeling, and you're cutting the emotion from it. So you're cutting the heaviness away. So in this case, I don't know what it is for you, but in this case, I could work with feeling insecure about myself in a certain situation. So today, this happened and I felt insecure. I love and accept myself. I choose to fully love and accept myself. So then we will be tapping on specific points that are linked to Chinese acupressure points, and doing that will get the energy to circulate and therefore the nervous system in a state of homeostasis and not in fight or flight as we feel our emotions. A lot of potency in this practice. So start off with taking a few breaths, and if you don't find immediately a statement, then you can just work with I love and accept myself and make that your practice. So whatever I'm feeling, I love and accept myself, but it's very powerful if you have a specific situation, or use it this way more generically. Let's try. So you're going to start with 9 times tapping, and you're going to start with the karate chop point, which is here in the middle of your hands, and you're just going to go like this. Over time you will get more acquainted with it. So you're going to do a few times and you breathe fully in and out, and you say, even if I'm feeling this, I choose to love and accept myself. I fully love and accept myself. And then you move on to the center of your eyebrows, and you continue and you tap and you breathe and you say the same. It can be 9 times or more, but just keep on tapping. The exact location is more important than the amount of times. You're just breathing, you do around the same time. Then you go to the sides of the eyes and you continue. Even if I'm feeling this, I fully love and accept myself. I fully love and accept myself. Then you're going to go under the eyes to the center of the eyes, and you just continue breathing, sitting up tall and committed to the affirmation, I love and accept myself. Then going just with one hand to the center of the nose, under the nose, you continue. I'm feeling this, I fully love and accept myself. Going under the mouth, tapping, continue. Even if I'm feeling very insecure in the situation, or I felt I did something wrong, or whatever it is, I fully love and accept myself. And you feel it, you mean it. Then going underneath the collarbones, continuing, breathing. How does it feel to love and accept yourself? Try to connect with that energy as you proceed to the practice. Then we are going to go to underneath the armpits. So we're going to go underneath the armpits like here in the middle, just crossing the arms and tapping there. And then you can also add this extra point here on the rib cage, just underneath here. And then you finish off with the top of the head. And you finish off feeling this. I fully love and accept myself. I fully love and accept myself. Then finish off with just like, maybe I like to always like sweep over my head, sweep over my body as if I'm just removing that energy, and just finishing off with a few breaths, sitting in peace and celebrating the progress that you have made today in your journey of feeling more and being more in touch with your sensible nature as a human being, and therefore with the full experience and spectrum of experiences in our life as humans. Thank you so much. Please let us know in the comments below how this felt for you. If you could integrate it, you can always let us know if you have a specific question. We're very happy to help you out. Wishing you good luck with the practice, and thank you so much.